Hey everyone, welcome to Soil Goddess. In today's video, we are going to see 3 activities for kids with ice cubes. I know all kids love ice, and so we are going to make ice cube activity. For the first activity, take a big container, take any vessel which is freezer safe, and pour water and add your little animals into it and freeze it. Let it get freeze nicely. And now take a tub or a basin like this and drop the big block of ice and add some water. This activity is all about rescuing the animals which are stuck in the ice. So this activity actually improves the empathy in children, that we have to rescue or help others when they are in danger, or when they are in need of a help. And also it improves the fine motor skills because we are giving a fork to them to dig the ice. And when you're giving the fork, please be supervising them because they might hurt their hands. So this is all about the rescuing of animals. They will rescue one animal by one. So now my little one has rescued the horse, and thus goes. And for the second activity, it is also an ice cube activity. For that you will need a white plate like this and ice cubes of any shape and food colors or even paint, whatever you have. I have taken food colors in powder form. You can take liquid food colors or even any paint. But why I am telling you to take the white plate is that they will know, the colors when they get mixed up, it will be clear for the children to learn about the ice cubes and the colors, everything. So I'm just giving a paintbrush and asking my little one to paint on the ice cube. This will create a nice texture like the snowflakes. So this is a DIY snowflake activity, and kids will really love the mixing of the colors. They will know how these colors get mixed up and form another color, and they also know the snowflakes formation and the texture, everything. And after you're doing the activity, please do not throw this paint. You can use it for painting. And if you have not subscribed to Soil Goddess yet, please subscribe to Soil Goddess. And here is our third activity. Take a glass jar, transparent glass jar, and pour hot water into it. Now take a room spray or hairspray or any perfume and spray it inside. It should be an aerosol spray, that's the concept. And when you are spraying this aerosol spray into the hot water and dropping the ice cubes on the top of the lid like this, you have to keep the lid upside down, and you can already see the formation of clouds inside the jar. So here is a DIY cloud activity, and kids are going to thoroughly enjoy this cloud activity, and as my kid enjoyed it. And I also tried to photograph the cloud and I succeeded. So here is the formation of cloud inside the jar, and my kid is really having a great time with the catching the clouds, and he is really excited to play with the cloud. So this is the part 1 activity of ice cubes. I'm keeping it short with 3 activities because you have to try this at home, and I'll be uploading the next 3 activities in part 2, and it'll be there in 2 days. So hope these activities are useful for you guys. If so, please subscribe to Soil Goddess and show your support. Thanks for watching.